coming up later in this video. But first... Hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. This one's gonna be pretty. Let's get straight into it. We have my pouring medium in gold. We have the pouring medium in ultramarine blue. We have purple, violet in the pouring medium, and also this lovely green that I've made just for this lovely painting. So that's it. Let's layer it. We'll go green first. Well, when I opened it up, it puffed. Why you do this? Why you sabotage me? Perhaps this paint. That was a surprise. Okay, we're gonna go right in the center here. That. Nice amount of green. Oh, it's a lovely color green too. So this is my own little green. I call it green duck. So we don't want to go green then purple. We want to go gold instead, separate it so we don't accidentally make brown. This gold's nice and heavy, which is good. Now we're going to go the purple. No, blue, ultramarine blue. There we go. Right in the center, something different. And more gold. Just to really mix those two together. I think the ball bearing for my gold is getting a little stuck. I don't want to put on much more. Go. Encourage that gold to go through. Now the purple. Gold. Yep, that ball bearings. Get in there. They're great for helping the paint to mix nicely with the pouring medium. Blue. And have it. And of green, and we're done. And when I say we're done, I don't mean we're going to walk away from it. There we go. Mesmerizing. I hope this turns out well. Oh, and the gold again, one more time. I don't want to spread it all the way out though, just concentrate a little bit there in the center. Okay, let's blow it out. Oh my gosh. I did not turn on my microphones. So the quality of this audio, up until this point, will be through my other cameras. I do apologize. Whoops. Okay, well, I'm just going to clap one more time, just so I can sync everything up. Let's torch quickly, and then we'll blow this out. Whoops. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out. All right, that's the plan. Yes. Yep. Oh, that gold's going to be gorgeous once it's finished drying. Talking about finished drying, let's bring you in. Let's talk about what happens when this finishes drying. So once the painting has finished drying, I then will varnish it in about a month's time. And then Katobi from the future and you will have a conversation about the painting. Does that sound interesting? I hope so. Because now that you've seen the flyover, not the flyover, the close-up, the wet close-up, I'll introduce you to Katobi in the future. Katobi in the future, take it away.
No, I really don't understand why you're so mad. I said if you could help me with my big blue balls, that would be fantastic. Well, oh, they're here. We'll talk about this in a minute. Hi everyone. Katobi here. Hi. Thank you for watching that video. That was awesome. I love the way this one dried. I think I keep saying that. You never really know what you're going to get. Is that a Forrest Gump thing? Until the painting's dried. No, I don't think they said that in Forrest Gump. Life is like a box of chocolates. When they're dry, they look all different. Anyway, really love the way the gold came through. Little wisps of it around the edges, which is awesome. You can see that when I was blowing out, I've picked up some of the paint, but then base paint, but then blown out the wispy and more delicate side of the white, the coloured paint over the white. So that can't come out. I can't even English anymore. That's what happens when you Forrest Gump and walk into a recording with big blue balls in your hands. So yeah, no, it's lovely. This is the second last. I think I punched the mic. I'm sorry. This is the second last painting for season 3. 3, yeah, 3. So we've got an announcement. So there'll be end of season 3 paintings next. Painting. I really should start writing scripts. Anyway, so after this one, we've got the last one, and then I'll do a roundup, a roll-up of the series, and I've got something to tell you about where we're going from there. So I think that's something you'll all want to make sure that you don't miss out on if you've been enjoying my creativity streaks. Yeah. So thank you for watching this one. I love it. I love the blues. I love the greens. I love the gold. The purple has just done its own thing, and it's really actually helped to make some of the green darker and some of the blue darker as well. It's really lovely. I hope you enjoy the flyover, and that is the next part, and then we'll do the time lapse and then the signing of the pictures. So thank you very much for hanging around, folks. Let's get to it. Whoa. Yeah, no, look. No, I said to you, where do you want me to put my big blue balls? Can you help me with them?